Alright YouTube, today we're going to unbox. Obviously it's already unboxed. You've seen boxes open before. The beautiful, powerful tilt stand mixer, 3.5 quarts. Comes with 3 separate attachments. Your dough mixer, I believe you'd use that for icing. And this, I'm not exactly sure. I've seen it used for dough. This is a dough hook, and I've seen them use this attachment for dough. The reason I bought this wasn't to do a review or anything of that nature, but I'm going to because I have a YouTube channel. I notice when I eat certain bread, certain brands, I'm not going to mention any, you know, my eyes itch, I get drowsy, you know, it's just, ugh. And my wife, sometimes she'll get itchy eyes, but she'll have sneezing fits. Last night we tried this, you know the brand, I'm not going to mention it, Hawaiian bread, and she's sneezing up a storm. So I asked her, I said, you know, the bread that I made, did that have the same effect on you? And she said no. She goes, I took a loaf over to my work, had a slice every day, blah 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 blah. Didn't have a problem with it. So I'm gonna start religiously making my own bread. It came out really good, and we'll get into that in the next video, and the flour that I use, etc, etc. But for this video I paid $99 for this. It's Walmart's brand. I'm not sponsored by anybody. I get no nothing for doing this video. Thank you YouTube. Please don't mess with me. So let's see. You see that, obviously. So we're going to tilt this up. I believe this is 300 watts too, which isn't bad. Now the bowl locks in place, pretty much just friction, excuse me, fit. And these are relatively simple. You press up and you turn clockwise and your attachments come off. So, this is your splash guard while it's mixing. And we're going to put this to the test. Like I said, I paid $99 for this at Walmart. Added a $10 2-year replacement plan. And yeah, so I'll let you know in the next video if I think it was worth it. Alright YouTube, have a great day.